Here's a video showing all of the flyable aircraft in DCS World, but let's take a quick look at the Hornet first. Here's a group shot of the aircraft at Dubai International. Take your pick. They're all fun to fly. Now we're going to look at them one at a time. Here's the A-10C, the AJS-37, the AV-8B Harrier, the Harrier is really fun to fly. It's very powerful. BF-109K4, the C-101EB, then the combat version of the 101, it's called the C-101CC. The one with the stripes, that's an F-5E Tiger II, and that paint job belongs to Naval Air Station Fallon and the Saints, the adversary group up there. There's an F-86F. Here comes the Hornet, the F-A-18C. Now the next 8 aircraft are Flaming Cliffs 3. The F-15C, the A-10A, the Su-27 Flanker is coming up. And that's how this franchise started. It was a flight sim called Flanker. So this was the first one in the series. Su-33, MiG-29A, the 29s are fun to fly, and they have a powerful 30mm cannon that is devastating. Here's a MiG-29S. And a MiG-29G, so the G is for German. Su-25. So that's the end of Flaming Cliffs 3 aircraft. Here's a Focke-Wulf 190 D9. The big aircraft here is an Su-27 derivative in China called the J-11A. Here comes the Ka-50 Black Shark helicopter. L-39C, as seen at the Reno Air Races. There are a lot of L-39s that show up. L-39ZA has the cannon underneath the cockpit. The M2000C with the gorgeous paint job. Mi-8 MTV-2, a large helicopter. Hiding behind it is the MiG-15 BIS. There you go. Then the MiG-21 BIS. Here are a couple of P-51D Mustangs. The first is the Dash 25. And then we have a Dash 30. We have 4 SA-342s. The first is a Mistral. Here's the SA-342 minigun. SA-342M, as in Mary. And the SA-342 Lima is going to be the last one. SA-342L. Coming up are a couple of Spitfires. They're Spitfire LF Mark 9s. The second Spitfire you'll notice is a clipped wing. The tips are squared off. Here's the Su-25T, as in Tango. Then a TF-51D, which is a trainer. In the Air America paint job, we have a UH-1H. Here comes the Yak-52. Now we're going to switch over to another group photo, looking at it from a different direction. That gaggle on the ramp at Dubai. There they are. And let's see if you can fly each and every one of these. They're all fun. Now we're going to go take another look at a piece of action with the Hornet. Hey, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I call this screenshot the Shadow Wing Walker.